I've had long enough with you. Forget the world now, we won't let them see. But there's one thing left to do. Now the weight has lifted, love has finally shifted my way. Marry me today and every day. Marry me, and if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say you will. Together could never be close enough for me to feel like I'm close enough with you. I